Today we will be reviewing how to make microwaved lemon broccoli. Starting with a clean head of broccoli, you will want to start with placing your broccoli with the florets down on the cutting board. Then, taking your chef knife, you will go around the edge of the broccoli to start to remove any of the florets. You can turn the broccoli as you go to make this process easier. Any remaining broccoli florets still on the stem, you can lay the broccoli flat and remove. Place the stem off to the side to be cut up later, as you will be adding that into the dish before you microwave. At this point, you will look at the florets that you have cut up and then cut them into smaller pieces. This will allow for a quicker cook and a easier bite when eating the broccoli later. The goal should be to make sure the florets are roughly the same size when cutting them. If some of the florets have longer stems, you can either leave those stems on and just cut the broccoli in half completely, or you can dice up those stems to be added in with the broccoli separately. When all of the broccoli is cut up, you will add it to a microwave-safe bowl with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, depending on the amount of broccoli that you have. Once this is complete, you will then place a plastic wrap over the top of the bowl, being sure to cover all of the edges of the bowl. You will take a fork and poke holes into the plastic wrap. About 3 or 4 is best to allow some venting. This will then go into the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. While that is microwaving, you will make your lemon garlic dressing. You will start with 1 lemon, cut this lemon in half. With 1/2 of the lemon, you will, into a small bowl, either use a juicer, as I do in the video, or squeeze the lemon by hand to remove the lemon juice. If you have more broccoli, then you can add in both halves of the lemon, or if you do not like a strong broccoli taste, you can focus on just 1/2. For the garlic, we're going to have it down on the cutting board, and with the flat side of our knife, we're just going to place a small amount of pressure to help peel it. From there, we're going to do a quick chop on the garlic to get the pieces into smaller sizes. What we are aiming for here is a mince of the garlic, so these chops do not have to be perfect in size. The overall goal is to get the garlic together and to go over it with the knife a few times. Being careful as you go to clean the garlic off of your knife, and scraping the garlic together with the knife is very beneficial. This will go into your lemon juice once you are done mincing it. To this, you will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, depending on how much of a garlic and lemon taste you wish to have. You will have the lemon juice mixed and start stirring it as you pour the olive oil in. This will allow it to blend together better. Another option, if you have a jar, is to place all the ingredients into a jar and then put the lid on and shake it to have a really strong mix with the lemon and the olive oil. At this point, your broccoli should be done in the microwave. When removing, keep in mind that the bowl is very hot. Be careful. We will be removing the plastic wrap from the bowl, remembering to pull the plastic wrap away from you as you remove it. There is a lot of steam underneath it, and it's going to be very hot. The broccoli should be a very beautiful, vibrant green and very tender to the fork. You may still have a little bit of water left over in the bowl as I show here, what you can do is just take the bowl to the sink and press something down on top and drain the water, or pour the broccoli out into a colander just to get any of that remaining liquid out of the bowl. Once that is complete, you will pour your lemon and garlic sauce right over top. If the lemon and the olive oil have separated, you can just give it another little mix or shake before you pour.